Hi everyone, welcome back to Nilay Shah World. Today we are uncovering a symbol that's been around for centuries. One you have probably seen before, the three wise monkeys. You know them. One covers its eyes, another its ears, and third its mouth. But this isn't just a cute image. It's a powerful life lesson that started in Japan over 400 years ago and spread across the world, even inspiring legends like Mahatma Gandhi. Want to know how these little monkeys can transform your life and how they may change the world? Stick around, hit the like button, and let's dive into the story. The origin of a Japanese tale. Let's travel back to the 17th century Japan. At the Toshogu's shrine in Nikko, a famous wooden carving brought the three wise monkeys to life. They are a pictorial maxim, a visual code of conduct summed up as see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. Meet the trio, Mizaru, who covers his eyes to see no evil, Kikazaru, who covers his ears to hear no evil, Iwazaru, who covers his mouth to speak no evil. In Japanese culture, Zaru means not to do, so their names literally tell us to avoid negativity. It's like a 400-year-old life hack for staying pure and peaceful. Pretty cool, right? A global message of peace. This idea didn't stay in Japan, it went global. By the end of the 20th century, the three wise monkeys became a universal symbol of peace and tolerance. One guy who loved them? Definitely, Mahatma Gandhi. During India's fight for freedom, Gandhiji kept a small statue of these monkeys on his desk. For him, they weren't just decorations, they were a strategy. Don't see the injustice as normal. Don't listen to hate. Don't speak violence. He seemed to say. Through peaceful resistance, he turned this maxim into action against the British rule. So these monkeys, they are not just wise, they are revolutionary. The deeper meaning, a code for life. Okay, but what's in it for us today? The three wise monkeys are the messengers of goodness. Think about it. Every day we are bombarded with negativity, gossip, bad news, and drama. Mizaru says, don't let your eyes linger on the bad stuff. Kikazaru's like, tune out the noise. And Iwazaru, don't add fuel to the fire with your words. It's so simple, yet so powerful. Imagine if you followed this: less stress, more calm. Is it right? This isn't about ignoring the reality. It's about choosing what you let into your mind and out of your mouth. Now let's understand karma with these three monkeys, which is a real game changer. Now here's where it gets even deeper. Life is all about karma, thoughts, words and deeds. You are always doing something or the other, even when you are just thinking. The three wise monkeys tie right into this. If you have got to do karma anyway, why not make it a good karma only? See the best in people. Hear what uplifts and speak what heals. In Hindu philosophy, good karma boosts your karmic credit score. It comes back as blessings, happiness, success and peace. Bad karma? Well, that's like maxing out a credit card you can't pay off. The monkeys are like your karmic coaches. Stick with them and you are staking up the rewards. Why it matters today? Picture this. If anyone lived by these three wise monkeys, what would our world look like? No toxic gossip, no hate online, no petty fights, just goodness flowing everywhere all the time. Every person's karmic account would be always in the green, and we would turn our planet into a truly great place to live for everyone. It starts with you. Next time you are tempted to judge, eavesdrop or snap back, channel Mizaru, Kikazaru and Iwazaru. It's not just self-help, it's a world help. Now to start right now. Ready to try it? Here's your challenge. For one day, follow these three monkeys. Skip the negative news. Mute the drama. And bite your tongue before saying anything snarky. Notice how you feel lighter, happier, or better. That's the magic of this principle. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional and right. So start small and watch the ripple effect in your life. And that's the story of these three wise monkeys. A tiny carving with a massive message. Friends, you may do great works in life later, but first it is necessary that you stop doing anything bad and wrong in your life. From ancient Japan to Gandhi's desk and up to your life, these three wise monkeys remind us to see good, hear good, and speak only good to change the world drastically. So, which monkey's lesson hit you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Friends, I would like to leave this video by narrating this philosophy about doing good in your life. Do good. Always do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, and as long as ever you can. It is necessary to follow this philosophy if you want to live a truly great life and make our world a truly great place to live in for everyone. If you liked this video, smash the like button, share the video with someone in need, and finally, please subscribe my channel Nilay Shah World for more such wisdom-packed videos. Let's keep spreading goodness together. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.